Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure MySQL 8.0.42 on AlmaLinux OS 10.0. First open the default browser that comes with AlmaLinux OS 10.0, that is Firefox. Then go to MySQL official website, that is mysql.com. Click on downloads, then scroll down, then click on MySQL community downloads. Then select MySQL community server, then select the version. See here we have the 8.0.42. Then select the OS version, select Red Hat or Oracle Linux. Then select OS version. See here we don't have the Alma 10 version, so select the latest version. See, once you selected, populated the list of the RPM packages that needs to be downloaded and installed. So instead of downloading each package, just download this RPM bundle. Click on download, then click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download started and its size is 899 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Okay, this will take time. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directory, cd downloads ls. Now we have to untar this file. Except give MySQL, give the tab to autofill entire tar file name. Hit enter. ls. See here we have the list of the RPM packages that needs to be installed. So to install all, we have to run the command sudo rpm -ivh -no deps, means no dependencies, star.rpm. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, it is installing MySQL Server 8.0.42. See, we have successfully installed. Now we have to connect to MySQL Server. So first verify the status of the MySQL Server. Control L, sudo systemctl status MySQL D. Hit enter. It is typo. See, MySQL Server is installed, but it is not started. First start it. Sudo systemctl start MySQL D. Now verify the status. See, MySQL Server is started 2 seconds ago. Go to it. Now we have to connect to MySQL Server. To connect to MySQL Server, we must have the password of the temporary password by going to more/var log mysqld.log grep password. We have to run this with sudo. See, this is the temporary password for root account. Now set the password. Sudo MySQL secure _ installation. Hit enter. Now we have to provide this password. This is not same for you. Copy it, paste it, hit enter. Now we have to set the password for root account. See, the existing password for the user root account has expired. Okay, now we have to set new password. Confirm the same. If you want to change password again, no. Remove anonymous users, yes. No. Yes. Privileges, yes. See, we have successfully set the password for root account. Now connect to MySQL Server. MySQL -u root -p. Then provide the password that we have set for this root account. See, we have successfully logged into the MySQL Server 8.0.42. We can also confirm by running the command select version. We will also give the same version number. See here, we have installed MySQL Server 8.0.42. Now verify the list of the databases. So databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL installation. Let us create database. Create database. Now verify again. See, we have created database. Now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to run the command. Use is the keyword. Then provide the name of the database. See, database is changed. Now verify list of tables. Show tables. See, we don't have any tables. Let us create a table. Create table. See, we have created table. Let us insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Now, create user. Before that, verify the list of the users. So, users, this won't work. You can get the list of the users by running the command. Select user from MySQL.user. See, these are the default users that comes with MySQL installation. Let us create user. Create user. Whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. Now verify again. See, we have created user David. Now connect to MySQL server with this new user. So exit from the current session. Exit. Now MySQL -u, username is David-p. Then whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. See, we have successfully logged in. Now verify the currently logged in user. Select current_user. See, we have successfully logged into the MySQL server with the user David. Now try to access the database that we have created. Use bank. See, access denied for user David to database bank because we have created user but we haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. Exit. Now we will see how to stop, start and restart MySQL server 8.0.42 on AlmaLinux OS 10.0. Sudo systemctl stop MySQL D. Hit enter. Verify the status again. See, MySQL service is stopped 4 seconds ago. Quit. You can also verify by trying to connect to MySQL server. MySQL -u root-p. Provide the password of root account. See, we are unable to connect because MySQL server is stopped. So start it again. Sudo systemctl start MySQL D. Now verify the status. See, MySQL server is started 5 seconds ago. Quit. Also try to connect to MySQL server. See, we have successfully connected. Exit. Now we'll see how to stop and restart the MySQL server 8.0.42 on AlmaLinux OS 10.0. See, we have successfully restarted. Ctrl ls. We have successfully installed MySQL server 8.0.42 on AlmaLinux OS 10.0. So these files are not required anymore. So remove them. rm u star.rpm ls. Remove the star file also. rm u MySQL, give the tab, hit enter, ls. We have cleared the space. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to download, install, configure MySQL server 8.0.42 on AlmaLinux OS 10.0. Okay. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.